When you arrive at 1325 Chase Hammock Road on North Merritt Island, you know you've found something special.
I am fired up to bring you a beautiful equestrian estate in Northern Merritt Island. Over 3,500 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a private pond, and a great 6-stall barn. The kitchen is an entertainer's dream with acres of granite counter space, abundant storage, including 2 pantries, and an open concept that keeps you in the action. One of my absolute favorite features of this home is when you enter through the grand double doors, you come into this great main living area with plenty of space for families, for parties, for entertaining, however you want to use it. And the whole home is beautifully maintained, lovingly updated, and sparkling clean right down to the carpets. This home features really flexible living arrangements too. There's a downstairs owner's suite with an ensuite bath. There's 2 bedrooms upstairs with the Jack and Jill bath, laundry, and this grand owner's suite with beautiful views of your property. With over 6 acres, this beautiful private pond, a great stable with 6 bays, a tack room, water and electricity, this is the estate you've been dreaming of, right down to the white picket fence. I'm Joe Friedman with the Carpenter Kessel Home Selling Team and Compass. When you're ready to set up a private tour and come check out this incredible estate for yourself, give me a call. We'll get you in.